Hello, this is the Management Incident Report Planning from the Cloud to Thunder Ministry. We're showing you here that we have Human Resources Department for people on the web to just get information. Here's a brief about us, and then we have the name and address of the company I'm working for. On this feature right here, which is just a test series, we have the introduction to the program itself, where we give user ID, client IP address for the sheriff and Congress, and what server it's on. This is the person's name and address that I just signed into. The report here will give the company, like Smithtown City Hall. It could give personal address of the person and the next statement you want to document on for the sheriff. Next is the incident report list. As you can see, it gives history ID and each one of the statements that was generated, data statement, client IP address from each, which should be distinctive. As you get more familiar, we'll go to the last one for 21, and it gives us that there's one there, and this is history ID 21. This is Smithtown still, and the name of the person who wrote it, and the full definition of the letter here with space control and everything else. The completion statement should be there. If I get authorization from the sheriff, they want it on the complete end of the job for the arrest and everything else. Next is the full report. I have all the distinct client IP addresses, the full history of the letter list. This is, next will be the open report. Then you have in progress report and the closed report. So it should tell you what was there anyway. Now if I close this up, what it'll show next is I'm showing the sheriff and Congress level, the next level for the report that they'll see in their station. If they have a list of 48 terminals, the information off of the web would be on a server and it'll be downloaded. This page I'm currently on will show the name, address of the person, distinctive ID like DMV. History ID is now the letter of each person that wrote. This says there's 1 to 4, and it can do each one. I'll get the next person. Raymond Fuchs, Ramon, and I have 5 letters here up at the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I was on 1. And we'll go to the last letter for a demo. This is the Cloud to Thunder Ministry. The name is President Raymond Shyptycki. There are 10 letters present here, and it shows each one client IP address, and the sheriff might get distinct power that this is a system they may like, or Congress, and we'll see. But this should be going down on their local city terminal whenever they need it. So the rest we'll just leave up to Congress and the sheriff to interview for this type of product. Thank you very much for your time, and we'll talk to you later. Thank you.